On this video, we are going to do the style of Ryan Reynolds on the movie Free Guy. On this video, my friend and hairbender instructor from the Dallas-Fort Worth area is going to help me out to do the short haircut on the sides and the back. To start this first part of the haircut, Angie is going to be using the number 1 guard on the clippers. To get as close as you can to the skin, you can move the leverage all the way up. This is going to make super easy to do the fading at the same area or around the head. If you do the fade on one side and then go to the other side and then go to the back and then go to the side of the back, it's going to be a lot easier to be last. It's going to be way easier if you create a very defined line as we just did. To cut this midsection on the hair, you can actually use your comb and your clippers. As you can see, now you have the one line right here that we created first and another way line area right here. Now the only thing you need to do is clean that first line that we created. To cut the top area, we're going to be using the French cutting technique going from the front to the back. Establish the length that you want from the bangs and use the same guide going backwards. At the moment when you get to the area where the top of the head meets the crown area, you stop going horizontal, you start cutting vertically. You just need to continue cutting a straight line. If you need it, you can round the corners and leave it on this area and the back. To texturize this style, I'm going to be using the texturizing shears with the smaller teeth because I want it to be more blended and chunkier. So you can follow the same technique that you did on the top. Now when you get to the corners area, it's going to be a little bit longer, so you can go a little bit deeper, so you can create a little bit short to long section, so it makes a little more round without actually cutting the length. To style this hair, you can use any product going to give you control and direction to this style. I suggest using mousse for this particular style. Best way to blow dry this hair is using your flat brush and having the blow dry follow the brush. You definitely want to force any hair on the sides to lay down a little bit more flat and not stick out too much. If your hair is super strong, maybe you need to use some kind of gel. Once the hair is done, do a little bit of shear or comb to blend all the hairstyle. If you want to add a little more texture and pieciness to the style, use a little bit of wax at the end. And here you have the 360 view of Ryan's hairstyle. This style is going to look great if you have a lot of angles on your face. I would suggest that if your face is oval or round. This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.